Hello there! Welcome back to ChuoLink, your trusted platform for discovering universities and courses that match your future goals. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful and versatile degree, the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Statistics. If you're someone who enjoys solving complex problems, loves numbers, or wants to understand how data drives our world, then this course might just be your perfect match. So, what is the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Statistics all about? This degree combines two of the most essential tools in modern problem-solving mathematics and statistics. It's all about understanding patterns, analyzing data, creating models, and making informed decisions based on logic and evidence. From building mathematical theories to using statistics to guide real-world solutions, this course teaches you how to break down complex problems and make sense of the world around you through numbers. What do you study in this course? The curriculum offers a perfect blend of theory and application. You'll begin with strong foundations in calculus, linear algebra, and abstract mathematics. Then you'll explore statistical methods like probability, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis, powerful tools for data analysis. You'll also learn about mathematical modeling, used to simulate and solve real-world problems, from predicting economic trends to optimizing systems. And you won't just study numbers, you'll also work with technology. You'll gain programming skills in languages like Python or R, essential for modern data analysis and statistical computing. What will you learn by the time you graduate? By the end of this program, you'll have developed a sharp analytical mind, strong mathematical reasoning, and confidence in handling data. You'll know how to create models, interpret datasets, solve complex equations, and turn numbers into decisions. Whether it's business, health, finance, or research, you'll be ready to bring clarity to any problem using logic, math, and data. What careers can you pursue after this course? Mathematics and statistics graduates are in high demand in today's data-driven world. You could become a data analyst or data scientist, helping companies turn big data into smart strategies. As a quantitative analyst, you could work in finance using models to guide investments. You might become an actuary, analyzing risks in the insurance industry, or a statistician working in healthcare, government, or research. Other paths include software developer, research analyst, biostatistician, or even a mathematics educator. With this degree, you're equipped to succeed in industries ranging from tech and banking to healthcare and scientific research. So, what makes this course unique, and what challenges should you expect? This course is unique because it sharpens your ability to think logically and critically, skills that are useful in almost any career. It also gives you the rare combination of mathematical depth and real-world application, but it's not without challenges. You'll face complex theories, abstract thinking, and sometimes tough calculations. Staying motivated, practicing regularly, and embracing logical thinking are key to success. But the reward? You graduate with a skill set that's not just impressive, it's in high demand. So, if you love numbers, enjoy solving puzzles, and want a degree that opens doors in almost every industry, the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Statistics could be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching ChuoLink. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more course breakdowns to help you shape your future. And if you need help or personal guidance, reach out to the ChuoLink team. We're always here to support your education journey. See you in the next video.